Hello and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. I'm Vanessa and this is Nessa CX Beauty. Today's video is going to be on the most asked question on my YouTube channel, and that is, how do you do your eyeliner, Vanessa? And today I'm gonna answer that question, and hopefully it will be helpful for you guys. And additionally, I wore this sweater again because in my last video that I wore, I didn't know where my friend got it from because it was a Christmas gift, and now I have the answer. It is from Target. So for those few of you that I was like, I don't know, now I know, and Target. But if you guys want to know how I do my eyeliner, just continue watching. So I'm not used to being this up close and personal with y'all, but it's necessary for this video. The first item that I use for my wing liner is the Revlon Color Stay Skinny, and the reason I use this is because look at that tip. It's super precise and has been my ride or die for years. So different people start their wings differently. Some people start it in the middle, some people start it right here, some people start it under their lower lash line, but me personally, I like to start it exactly in the corner right here. And then what you want to happen is your wing should extend from this corner, and if you were to make a really long wing, it would meet the tip of the eyebrow. So this is the angle that you want your wing in. So I take this. I keep in mind that if I were to make a really long line, it would meet my eyebrow. And then I go in the direction of the tip of my brow. And that's the first line I create, always. I always make that line first. And then a little bit under where you ended that line, you want to go and connect it to the base of your lash line. Okay, so I want to interject right here because I didn't explain this too well. When you are connecting your triangle to your base, I have hooded eyes, so you should keep in mind where your hoods end. For me, what I always do is look at where the 1-2 creases end, and that's where I go in, because if I were to pass the second crease, like say I would go like right here with my liner, I know my liner would suck because what those 2 creases do is distort how your eyeliner would look. So you really need to know your eye when you're doing your eyeliner.
But now you know. Back to regular programming.
And that's all I use my Revlon Color Stay Skinny Liner for. The next item that I use is the Maybelline Eye Stiletto. And I make the line starting from here. And basically just coat my lash line with this black eyeliner. And then I color in my triangle that I made. And then I create a little slope that connects this triangle to this base. And then that is how I create my wing liner. And then sometimes, you know, it might not come out perfect, and that is why we have these things. So it works better with people that have long nails, but I have long nails. So I go like this, and if the line isn't how I want it to be, I go. And then you have a really sharp wing. So really quickly off of camera, I continued to color in with my Maybelline Eye Stiletto because unfortunately this is running out, and I should be repurchasing that ASAP because I don't know what I will do without this eyeliner in my life. But that is the finished result, and I hope this was really helpful for y'all. And I'm gonna come back with both of my wings done and my face beat. So we are back. And we're eating cheese doodles. Who else is highly upset that the $1 bag is now $2?
Like, why? What are you doing?
But like seriously, I hope you guys enjoyed this video because this is seriously the most asked question that I have on my YouTube channel. And I hope that I did the question justice. Is like, how do you do your eyeliner? And that's how I do it. So if this was helpful, let me know down below. And thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for tomorrow's video and bye bye.